And I know you have come to expect hats now. So I have ordered 5 million of this. Always ask before grabbing a pussy. You like? I have some other ones. 65 million is more than 62 million. Putin is not my puppy. Trump has baby fingers. Not afraid of stairs. America, the rest of the world looks up to you. We're counting on you. So you don't have to vote for me, but please elect someone who will make a better president than Donald Trump. Like this mug or this tape. Hell, at this point, we will even take another Bush.
This ad was paid for by the ghost of Donald Trump's dead dad, who was looking up from hell with shame in his eyes.